Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you our E38 CarPlay retrofit to the original system that you already have in the car, whether it's a 4x3 screen or a 16:9 screen. So at the moment you're looking at the 4x3 screen. We've added the CarPlay to this one and you're able to control it via the controls, and you can still go back into the original system. Now again, we've got another one here. This one is slightly different because although the CarPlay is the same, this one has digital TV, as you'll see now on the screen. This is the OEM digital TV version, so everything that you know about it will work as it would normally, and then you can flick back into CarPlay. So you have that extra additional upgrade to the existing system. Okay, so now this one is a 16:9 screen, which came in some of the later E38s. This one has the reverse camera, which works in the CarPlay mode and in the original OEM screen as well, as you can see from the video. Not only that, this one has been added with touchscreen and also HDMI input. So we've added a Amazon Fire Stick in the back, and you can control it through the Amazon Fire Stick controller. Okay, so this one, it's not an E38, but it's the same screen, and this one has had the touchscreen installed to it, which you will see in a moment. Flicking through some of the modes. Don't forget, you can use all your original systems still, the radio, navigation, etc. This one, as you can see, uses the touchscreen, and you can navigate around. Don't forget, with CarPlay you've got your Spotify, Apple Music, other music apps as well, radio apps, and Waze, Google Maps, all the juicy stuff you want in your car that you normally use on your phone stuck on the dash. So we can add the touchscreen for both 4x3 and 16:9, but again, it's not necessary because you can just use the car controls. And also the steering wheel controls also work to skip track and go to previous track. It's very easy and straightforward to install into the E38. The first thing you need to do is remove the navigation unit. Once you remove that, there'll be a plastic trim around it, which you need to remove. And once you can do that, then you can slide the carpet out. Sometimes you'll have a little clip on the side which you need to clip off. It's quite straightforward, and then the whole carpet will just pull out quite easily. You may have some other clips at the bottom. Again, use a trim tool, pop it off, or a flathead screwdriver, and then you'll have access to everything you need. Remove the TV tuner, remove the CD changer, and then you'll be able to disconnect the audio cable for it and then connect to the cable that we provided. If you have a DSP system, that's a different issue. And then over here, right in the back here next to the amp, there is a white 3-pin connector. That's your microphone cable. That will just pop out, disconnect it, connect the cable that we're going to provide you, and then that's you tapped into the original microphone cabling, and so you don't have to feed any cable to the front. That's the new TV tuner plugged in. You have your audio and your microphone connected to it, and the end result is beautiful. So if you're interested in the setup, please contact us at Carphonics, and you can either book in, have it fitted, or we can ship out the kits worldwide. Thank you for watching.